So
Well,
yeah,
that
Lyft is
brings up
better.
that
Yeah.
that brings up the next whole point is,
Yeah.
the flooding the market.
Yeah. I think this is going to be a problem, guys. Either way, this is going to be a problem. Okay. So this is LA last week, last Friday, last Sunday, everywhere I went. Okay. This is from my passenger app, by the way. And that's my little pin over there. What's the point of on the left screenshot? What's the point of me turning my app on? Look at all those cars. That's like a mile radius over there. I'm like, holy crap, we're back to 2019. 8 cars. By the way, it's always 8. You people know that, right? It's I think it's Uber's lucky number or whatever. I'm sure there is more than 8, but it's always 8 on the passenger app. Look at the middle one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Look at the
Mhm.
right one. Look at the left one. It's always 8. I'm like, garbage. Now, this may be the reason for this may be that they had offered $9 boost from 6 a.m. to 10 a.m. So
Mhm.
everybody and their uncle was out there trying to get that $9. This may have been the reason. For 4 hours, Uber said, we're going to lose money, but half of your suckers are going to hang on, and then we're going to make the money after that. Because I did 7 rides with this Friday morning. I made $52 an hour, but my utilization rate was down to like 68%. So I
Mhm.
was online 4 hours and I was active for 3 hours. So before, when I drove, it would be basically every single minute I have a passenger in the car or I'm on the way to picking somebody up. I made seven from music. There you go, RideShare King. Okay, you're another one we're gonna meet. Okay, LA. You know what? I think we're gonna make an LA meetup with these. We Zoom, RideShare King, bro. We'll have a
Oh,
party. There we go.
Harry, if you're still watching,
Harry,
sounds like I gotta
Harry.
head out to the LA now,
Yeah,
the
Harry.
area.
Seriously, bro. So
Or
9 boosts are
we could
worth
do a
it.
New
Of
York
course, it's
City
worth
one
it.
too.
Oh yeah, we'll come out to Buffalo to freeze our asses. That's not happening.
Oh,
So
it's
nine.
nice now.
Okay, 9 boost is worth it. Definitely worth it. But you and your uncle and everybody else, was out there, bro. Okay, so here's the deal. This is a perfect illustration of what Uber's idea is. Okay, so I go, okay, this is from last Friday. No, what is today? Oh shit, this is
Today's Tuesday.
yesterday. This is yesterday. This is yesterday. I apologize, everybody. Okay, do you see this little in the middle screenshot? Do you see all that? The zone that Uber calls it, the hot zone, where 96% of the rides exist. Now
Boost
that's
zone.
it's called a Boost zone. Boost Plus. It's a new Boost Plus. It's a new detergent that Uber is trying out. So I'm like, look at my screenshot time, 6:49 a.m. Right about when the surge is kicking in, everybody's going to school and work. Guess what? They put the $9 boost in that zone for 4 hours. There were so many damn drivers in that area. But what did happen though? Look at outside that zone. San Fernando Valley, where I live, bleeding red. South, bleeding red. East, bleeding red. Right in the middle, nothing. So
Mhm.
Uber says, I put this boost on. I get all the ants in here. So I have no problems with pickup ETAs. I'm like, I understand, Uber, but what's happening outside the zone? So from now on, this is my strategy. Here, I'm giving it a tip. Usually I'm charging for this. If you have a boost zone like that in the middle, stay where you're at because it's gonna bleed where you're at because all the ants are gonna be in the zone. There you go.
Mhm.
Yeah, that's just bad, bro. They
Yeah,
had
that's.
everybody in there. I mean, seriously. I'm like,
Oh yeah,
wow.
you look at that map and you see
Yeah,
all
no surge.
around.
Yeah.
Everywhere else it's on fire, but in
Yep.
there, and then you got all the cars next to it. You see all those cars right there in that little small section.
Yep. Yeah,
And then I
it's
can only
most.
imagine the amount of cars that are in all around too.
Yeah, it's yeah, a lot of cars.
Yeah.
So look, I have a bad feeling about what's about to happen. I I'm not trying to be negative. I think the party is going to be over pretty soon because if the economy is going to slow down, which the stock market is 100% saying that the economy is going to slow down, that's the only time Uber is going to create supply because everybody is going to go to rideshare driving to make some money. If they get laid off, just like 2010, right? So to me, Uber will end its supply problems, but Uber's bigger problem is going to be their demand is going to go down because who the heck is going to order a $25 burrito and do a $30 3-mile bar hop, right? Demand is also going to go down. So I feel like there is pain coming up for both sides. I'm hoping economy doesn't slow down. The party continues for everybody's sake. Okay, that's the only bad news That's the only bad thing I see in my crystal ball. But other than that, let's move on. RideShare driver says
think,
wrong. What's
I
wrong,
think,
bro?
I got to interject and say, I think for certain people, certain places, I think, yeah, it's going to have a little bit of an issue where it's going to be a slow down. I mean, the other thing too is you got the summer where, many areas are going to slow down. Colleges are done if you're in a college town. So it's going to slow down. So, it might be one of those things if you're a seasonal driver or cyclical, this could be a time where you look at something else, at least for the time being, and then come back when it gets busier, or, just implementing correct strategies. But the other thing too is, even though, the whole economy might go in the tanker and looks like it is, people are still going to want to go out to the bar. People are still going to want to get out and have some fun. So if you position yourselves correctly, then you can still go out there and make money. I think you just have to be more aware of the times you're going out and more aware of everything that's going on in your area to make sure you are the one who positions yourself correctly and beforehand. So that could be, instead of just sitting there waiting for a ride to come in, you might have to move around and reposition yourself. But just being smart about it, being smart about when the times are, and, taking advantage of when those offers are happening and try to stack them. All right, thanks for watching. That short little clip was from our live stream, Show Me the Money Club with Sergio and myself, Tuesdays, 6 p.m. Eastern, 3 p.m. Pacific. Make sure you subscribe, turn on all notifications so you'll be notified when we go live, as well as all of our awesome content. Make sure to check out this video right here, which will take you to the entire live stream, or check out this video right there. All right, drive smart, everyone.